So that's how I set my cameras up. So what I have is an 8mm. So the dash cam, I have a 8mm C860, I think it is, and it's wired up here to a USB. Turn the lights on. To a USB port here. I did start putting the wires through. You can actually feed it across here, but then when you get down the side pillar, it's actually quite hard to get in. There's not much gaps. It's actually quite well built compared to, say, Qashqai or some of the older vehicles. There's not that much gap to like squeeze the cable between. And then it comes with two cables. This one is for the power, and this one feeds here, and it comes with a big massive long bit of wire which I've not set up yet. That's for the rear camera, and the rear camera is supposed to stick in with the M3 tape at the back of the car, but instead I have it here, which is a little bit too close, hence why it is slightly out of focus. So I'll need to adjust that at some point, but that's sitting flush to this point, flush to here, and this actually tilts, so you can tilt it up. So when I'm in my driving position, it's like this, and if it's tilt down, it blocks off the time. So I'm actually sitting around here. So if I need to look at the speed limit, I sit slightly across. And that's that thing there, the speed limit. Other than that, it doesn't really obstruct the view. Obviously I can always push it up out the way if I'm not recording. And what's on the camera, you can see there. So it shows you rear view. The videos don't actually come together like that. It comes in two separate files. An A file and a B file, and you got to put that together. My other setup is a Canon M6 camera, and it's mounted on this Manfrotto tripod, which I had since the 90s. I think when I was at Sandwell College doing photography, this was the tripod of choice. It's got these adjustable things here which you can basically tilt up and down, so I can have this resting on the Nissan Leaf hat onto the back sort of like seat. This part here is resting down by there, and the front feet's just in the front weld in front of the wires, so that feeds off. So that gives you a nice stable tripod, and then the camera just sits on there with this tilting head. So it's a Canon M6 I've got, and yep, so it's Canon M6, and I've got a Rode mic micro, so it's a little tiny thing, and it's mounted on a bracket. Yeah. Probably not a good idea to show you. So it's got a dead cat with it as well, a big long cable. Yeah, it comes with it, and it sits on this bracket here. Yeah, and then that sits under the camera, and that's my setup. Thank you for watching, and if you like my videos, please hit the like and subscribe button, and I'll see you guys next time.